attitude, you will make it. And people, they will start to call you with that attitude.
Oh, yes.
So give the people the attitude that you have in a business or in anything that you do. Don't be discouraged by anything. Tell them, now in 5 years' time, I'll be there. Don't be ashamed of your goals. It's not easy. I want to be honest with you, it's not easy. It's not easy in this field. And when you don't know, or when you don't call God, when you don't call your Lord, you will fail. Because He's the one who's giving you this, all the wisdom. So, I want to say from today, we have a good speakers that will encourage us.
I take from her talk with us today that, you know what, you need to define yourself. Because if you don't, people will define you. Define your purpose, because if you don't, somebody else will define you. Situations will define you. Circumstances will tell you who you are. And you know what they usually say in circumstances? You're a failure. What did you think? Oh, who's gonna believe in you? Who is gonna do it with you? Who's gonna help? Circumstances and situations always take out the worst things that can happen. But a visionary always knows that as much as I see the top of the mountain, there are valleys below. There are thorns, there are attacks, there's weathers that are unless matter. That's where I'm going. And these are the kind of people that are here today. If you are not one of them, join us. If you're not one of those people who see yourself that way, join us. Do not define yourself based on your circumstance. And many people say this, we go to events that people tell us this, but you know what, if you go to one event and they tell you this, and then the next and they tell you the same thing, and between then, there was no change, the problem is with you. Inking now. Change comes from you.
Lastly, I just want to say you have to be creative and also stay focused. Because if when you're going to go to other people's events and then you steal their ideas and say, I think I can do this thing better than Palisa, you're going to waste your resources, your time, and other people's time. Because you will call us and we'll come and sit like this, and then you try and sell a product and imitating somebody else, and then we just say, you know what, this person is just wasting our time. And you are not going to go anywhere. So starting and running a successful business can be rewarding and also challenging. Success requires focus, discipline, perseverance, hard work, and so on. So basically what I'm trying to say is that in business, you have to have the relevant people, you have to have the requisite skills, and also it is very important that you also network, attend other people's events, so that you can be able to learn, and so that you can be able to make people also trust what we are doing. If you call them, they will also come to your event. But Momokhali, one thing that I've realized and I've learned is that we don't support one another. So I think it's one thing, Aileen Khore, it has to start with us to say, as a businesswoman, do I support other people's events? Attend other people's events, and also, get other friends to come with you, so that they can also be able to come to your event. So on that note, women, I want to say to all of you, happy Women's Month. And for some of you that are in business, there are better things that government is bringing. So it is up to you as young people